Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about ClickFunnels alternatives. I'm going to talk about 5 software which you can use it other than instead of ClickFunnels. Let's go. Hi there, welcome back. The first software we're going to talk about is Builderall, alternative to ClickFunnels. So Builderall, it's all-in-one platform where you get close to 22 different tools that you can use it under one roof. They have a funnel builder, they have emails, they have the script generator, they also have the pixel for the thing. You can also create the web pages, WordPress web page. So a lot more tools that is available to you with the Builderall. Now the plans, we can go down. You have for $29.90 USD or $69.90 US dollars. With each of the plans, you get different things. And don't worry, I'm going to have a link below where you can click it, and it will take you to this website and will give you can check it out yourself in details what each plan does. So the pro thing about Builderall is it is all in under one roof. You don't have to spend a lot of money outside the plan, and for a starter, it's only $29.90 USD, and on top of that, you can get 7-day free trial with no credit card information to you. So that's pro for Builderall. Con is it doesn't integrate with other third-party software that you might be in love with or might want to use them. So that's a little bit of pro for the second software I'm going to talk about is Kartra. It's also just like Builderall, all in one platform that you can use it. You can use the Kartra checkout, pages, leads, Kartra's funnel. They also have the emails and the membership. On top of that, Kartra's video, the integration, the Kartra's form, so everything all in one platform. That's the good thing about it. The pricing, it starts with $100, and they do have second plan. Don't worry, there's a link below. You can click it and find out all about different plans. The good thing about Kartra is it's really robust, and the sales funnels they're using it, the templates they're using it, it's all it looks really good, fresh, and you can use it to whatever funnels that you wanted. Their membership site is amazing. They have really good membership site that you can build it around, and on top of that, you can also host videos to it, which is really great. So those are the pro thing about Kartra. The con about the Kartra is all under one platform. It doesn't integrate with any of the third party software. So that's the only con I could find about Kartra. But if you like it, highly recommend to use Kartra. The third software that you can use is Thrive for anybody who's using WordPress. The WordPress plugin called Thrive Stream. So this plugin is really good. It works similar to the ClickFunnels in terms of where you can use a lot of sales funnel templates. There are a lot of different templates that you can use it for different type of sales funnels that you want to use it for. The price wise, it's really affordable. Price wise, so it's $19 per month if you pay annually, or if you have more than one website or the agency membership, it's only $49 per month paid annually. So the price wise is really attractive, and on top of that, there are a lot of different tools that you can use it for the WordPress theme, and you have more flexibility, more freedom to use it where it is. So the only con I talk about is it's only available if you're using the WordPress thing, and on top of that, you have to get your own website hosting. So those are the only con I could find of it, but highly recommend it if you want to get into the WordPress side of the things. So the fourth software that I talked about alternative to ClickFunnels is Leadpages. Leadpages is similar wise in terms of ClickFunnels. You can have the website, landing page, pop-up forms. It does integrate It's a lot of things. You can do the Google Analytics, Google Tag, CRM, and then a lot of third party, as you can see, a lot of third party software that you can integrate with the price wise. There's a standard of starter is $25 per month, which is really attractive compared to ClickFunnels. The Pro is $48 per month, and Advanced is close to $200 per month. Don't worry about the detail. Like I said, they'll be linked below, and you can click on it and check the things. And on top of that, you can also get the templates. You get a lot of different templates that you can, what type of sales funnels you want to use it. So it's really good. Pro is the price wise is really attractive. You can use it. There's third-party integration also, not as much as ClickFunnels, but there is still available third-party integration. The con, it takes a little bit of time to get used to the landing pages and building a landing page. It's a little bit more time consuming compared to the ClickFunnels. So the fifth software I'm going to talk about, and the last one for this video, is Instapage. So Instapage is a little bit more of the landing page and sales funnel like the ClickFunnels is. So if you go to click on the landing page, it does integrate more, build high converting landing page. The price wise, the plan, if you go look at the plans, they do have two different ones. There's a monthly plan of $149 price annually, the monthly, and then there's the enterprise plan, which is customized. So the plan wise is a little bit more of the high end, but if you look at it, they do have a lot of features for the plan, and like I said, there will be a link below that you can check it out yourself. Now, resource in terms of the solution, they can use it for Google, like I said, Google ad campaign, Facebook retargeting. So a lot of different things you can use this Instapage. The only thing that I don't like is there's only two plans, and for the starter, it is more than what the ClickFunnels the plan is. More than that, it's $149. It does gives you integration in terms of if you want to use it for the Google ad campaigns, things that. It also has a little bit more for the retargeting campaign, and this is just the landing page, not too much into the sales funnel. So the con is the price wise, the way the structure is, and also you need to have other plans on top of that to complement your business one. So that's it for this video to talk about the ClickFunnels alternative to ClickFunnels. If you are using ClickFunnels and for whatever reason are not enjoying it, not happy with it, or just want to look at the other plans, do check out these 5 software that I took in. All the links are below, and remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it, and hit the notification bell for any of the new videos that's coming up. See you guys. Bye.